everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Beads to Live By. I was contacted last week by Cassandra. She is the owner, and she wanted to know if I would maybe do an unboxing and maybe a tutorial or two for their beads. And when I looked at them, I was like, oh yeah. So this is my unboxing. Now, they do have a bunch of different subscriptions that you can go and choose from. They have all different prices. I'm not too familiar with their beads yet and how, all the subscriptions work. So she did send me, because I guess they had currently already sent out some of the stuff. So she sent me one seed bead subscription that I guess was the full one. And then she sent me some little bits and pieces, some little goodies from other collections. So let me see. I did look, of course. I looked 2 minutes after I got it. So look at these beauties. Okay. So let me hold this up. So this is a complete seed bead subscription set. And if you watch Gina from Orchids and Opals, she did an unboxing for this already. And I watched it just to kind of learn a little more about their beads and stuff. So I guess this is a whole subscription set. This is her seed bead one. And then she sent me some partial add-on fire polish bundles, partial add-ons of pressed glass bundles, and partial 2-hole subscription set. So I got little bits and pieces of everything. So look at these absolutely gorgeous beads. These are just like, wow. So I'm going to get set up and I will be right back. Okay, so let's start with this beautiful set. These are 11-0 round seed beads. They come in all different forms, like Miyuki or Toho, other kinds. You can to figure out exactly which ones these are, you can go to their page, and they will describe all of them for you. I will leave the link below, but look at these. I've got it up pretty close, so you can really see the detail on these. These have that AB coating on them. They're like a deep amethyst purple. They've got a little bit of the green, a little bit of the, it's almost like an antique gold on them. A little bit of teal color, but they're so pretty. It's like absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to start designing some stuff with these. And next are these gorgeous ones. These have like a coating on them, a shiny coating on them. They're so pretty. If I could describe this in a hair color, this would be 9NB from Redken, which was Irish cream. That's what this would be with me. As soon as I saw these, I'm like, this is Irish cream in a bead. As a hair colorist for 30 years, I specialized in hair color. So this would be the toner I would use if someone's hair was too brassy. And it would give it this warm, it almost looks like coffee with a little extra cream in it. It's so gorgeous. And just the colors, they're solid, but yet they do have a hint of like a shimmer to them. It's just gorgeous. And then look at these babies. These are absolutely gorgeous. So they're just, I have grown to love seed beads. I've been doing a little more bead weaving and doing some stuff and kind of stepping out of my comfort zone with that. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything with these, because I don't think I can teach anybody anything yet with it, but I'm learning. But I do have some great ideas for these. So yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous, like a lilac. And then look at these. I'm trying to hold them up really close so you can see the, so pretty. They have like a peachy champagne shimmer to them with a gold reflection. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to work with these. And they're all very even in size. Very well-made seed beads, you can tell. And then look at these. It's like, wow. It's like almost like a mauve with like a copper I don't know, almost like a mixture of copper and rose gold. I don't know if the camera's picking this up or not, but it would almost be like if it was rose gold and copper mixed. So pretty. Just look at that shimmer. Then we have these beauties. These are more of, it's funny because these are more of a matte, but they still have an AB finish on them of like, almost like a, I don't know, like a canary yellow, just in a few spots here and there, and almost like a very soft pink. I can't really describe them. Like, you have to see them because, like, I know the camera probably doesn't pick it up, but there's so many different hues in these. And yet there is a little bit of a shine to them, even though they're matte, which is kind of different from normal matte beads. These are so pretty. Cassandra, thank you for sending me these. I can't wait to work with these. Now, these are very interesting. These are like, oh, kind of like an olive green, maybe a little lighter than an olive green. And they have almost a little bit of a Picasso finish, but yet it's not as strong as a regular Picasso finish bead. It's just, it's a little more muted, but they're so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. Who wouldn't be excited to get this collection? And then these, kind of like a dusty rose with hints of like a purple, a little bit of peach. Just like a tiny bit of almost like a very soft green too. I'm picking up in these. But they're so, so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So I have all of these. Now, this right here, it says partial add-on fire polish bundle. So I guess they have a bundle of fire polish beads that you can order. And look at these. Do they get any prettier than this? I mean, look at that. This kind of like champagne, creamy beige with all the AB finish on them. Look at the iridescence on those. Look how pretty those are. So pretty. And then we have this creamy, like kind of like an off-white almost. It's not a total stark white. It's a little bit off-white, but it's so pretty. And the sparkle, I don't know if I'm picking it up in the camera. I like to turn the beads when I'm showing them because you can see different ones from there. But yeah, look how pretty these are. So I have these. I'm gonna put these away so I know what's what. And then I have, this is a partial add-on from the pressed glass bundle. So we have this one first. Look how pretty this is. Look at all the different hues of blue. It's like a creamy blue with little veins of dark blue in there. Look at that one right there. You can see that. Look how gorgeous. Look at this one. This little deeper one. So pretty. Look at that. And then these beautiful dagger beads. Copper. Just one hole. So pretty. Love, love, love. Put these away. And now these next ones. This is a partial 2-hole subscription set. And all I can say is wow. Okay, let's start out with the obvious. These gorgeous copper 2-hole, there's 2 holes on the side. You can see them, 2-hole dagger beads. Look at these. There's different, some are a little shinier than other parts of it. Some are a little more matte. So it's cool, it gets different reflection. And then these are just awesome. So pretty, look at that. Then we have these 2-hole saucer beads, oh wait, disc beads, I think they're called. See, so there's the other hole. So there's 2 of them there. And they have like, there's like a lilac purple with a little bit of like a caramel coppery color. So pretty. And there's like AB on one side, like you can see that one right there. So beautiful. And I mean, they go really well with these. Like if you wanted to create something, these go very well together. And then look at these. All 3 of these match together. So it's like copper and purple. Coppery rose gold and purple, I would say. Look at that. So you get all the different hues on these. These are 2-hole too. 2-hole as well. 2-hole too. See, so that's like one side, and then the other side is more clear. So you could do some really cool stuff with these. I mean, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just looking at some beads that would, those would be pretty with that. Yeah. So pretty. Look at all those colors together, the way they match. And then these and these. I will say thank you to Cassandra for sending me this. I can't wait to create something with this. So you stay tuned. I will leave all of the information below from Beads to Live By. And she was very sweet. And I think it's a woman-owned company, which is nice to know. We're supporting women, supporting other women. So if you're interested in my channel here, I would like for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I do have links to all of my social media below, as well as my Etsy store. And I will see you on my next video. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.